Hello everyone, my name is Kelly. Welcome to my channel. I know for sure putting on eyeliner is really time consuming. You get one side done perfectly, but when you move to the other one, somehow you just cannot manage to make them even. Or if you have shaky hands, it's really annoying when you cannot draw it straight. That's why today I'm gonna show you not one but 3 ways on how to draw straight and even wing eyeliner on both sides for every eye shape, especially hooded eyes like mine. And of course not using any tape if you don't like the sticky feeling on your face. Let's begin with prepping your eyes. I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime 24 Hour Extend Eye Base. You can use the one from Maybelline if you want a more affordable option. That one is really good too. I put it all over the lid. This eye base is formulated to prolong the look of eye makeup, prevent creasing and fading, so it helps the eyeliner last all day. Then set it with the powder or eyeshadow that has the same color as your skin tone. With the first method, I'm gonna grab a toothpick and break one end if it has 2 pointy ends, so it won't poke your nose while doing this. Next, I'm gonna use the Superfine eyeliner pen from Essence. This pen has an ultra slim felt tip, so I can achieve a really precise application with it. Deposit some on the toothpick, only one side like so. Don't do the whole thing, as we will need to measure and position it back and forth until we finally place it where we want the liner. If you want your liner longer, just put more on. This length is enough for my liking, as I usually go for natural looks. And make sure to put enough product on the pointy end to create a really sharp liner. Now I'm gonna place the toothpick aligned with my lower lash line to create a straight line, with the side that has the liner on turning outwards, so I can see that the point where the liner ends meets the end of my outer corner. Then when I'm okay with the placement, I just turn the toothpick inwards like so and press it onto the skin. And here we go. I just achieved a perfect straight liner. Then I used the eyeliner pen to make the wing just a little bit thicker. For my hooded eyes, it's best to not make the wing too big or too thick. It's just not flattering on me. But you can draw it as thick or thin as you prefer. I just draw the liner towards my eye, not making the liner any longer. I did a video on how to perfect wing liner on hooded eyes last month, in which I explained everything in detail about how I draw my eyeliner. I will put it in the description box if you're interested. Now move to the other eye. Repeat those steps. When loading some more liner on the toothpick, remember to put on the exact same place, as we want the equal liner on both sides. And the placement is really important to make it even. Just put it the same way you put it on the other side. Place the toothpick aligned with my lower lash line to create a straight line, with the side that has the liner on turning outwards, so where the liner ends meets the end of my outer corner. Then when I'm okay with the placement, I just turn the toothpick inwards and press it onto the skin. And always check from far away to see if both sides are the same. Sometimes we forget to check, which ends up making the liner uneven on both sides. And now I just got the liner straight and even on both eyes. After that, I used the eyeliner pen to make it a bit thicker, the same way I did on the other eye. And you should go slow on building up the thickness, as it's easier to add some more on than fix it. If you want a longer wing, just go for it. With this method, I assure you can go straight right to your brow without worrying about crooked liner. Remember to go slow and don't rush. I know you want to make it fast, but if you make a mistake, it will take you more time to fix it. For the next method, I use a white plastic card. Any card would do. I use white because I can see and show you what I'm doing clearly. And I already clean and sanitize it before putting it on my face. Just like the toothpick, I'm gonna put the card aligned with my lower lash line to create a straight line. Then I use the eyeliner pen to mark 2 points. The first one is at the end of my outer corner, and the second one is where I want my liner to end, which is the length of the liner. And then I use the card as a ruler to draw a line connecting 2 points. After taking the card out, you will see a line like this, and just finish by filling it in. I'm sorry that I did the liner a little bit short in the demonstration, but I promise it will work like magic with longer liner. So just draw as long as you like. Moving to the other eye, remember how important the placement is. Place the card the exact same way on the other side, which is aligned with lower lash line. The lower point should meet the end of my outer corner. Then I check from far away to see if the angle is the same as the other side. When I'm okay with the placement, I go ahead and draw a line connecting 2 points, and then filling in the liner. With the last method, we need a liner brush that is flat and has the same length as we want for our liner. I personally don't draw my liner too long, so I usually use this brow brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills, but for today's video, I'm gonna use the wider one. Either of them will give me a good outcome. This is the flat eye definer brush from Bdellium Tools, and I use the Eyestudio gel liner from Maybelline. Taking some out and warming up on the back of my hand with the brush, I just load enough product on the brush and flatten it out even more. Then I place the brush at the end of my outer corner to create a straight line with the lower lash line. I know it's a bit tricky at first, but with practice, you will get the hang of it. And when I'm good with my placement, just gently press it onto the skin. And here we have a straight line like so. Then thicken it up and draw towards the eye. Now repeat those steps to the other eye. Load some more product on, place it at the outer corner. Remember to check from far away to see if they are the same angle on both sides. Then press it onto the skin. Check again to see if you are happy with both sides. Are they twins or strangers? If you are not happy, just remove and reapply. Then I quickly tie line and apply mascara on. I always succeed just in the first try with these methods. I hope I can help you guys do the same thing. The key is go slow. And here's the finished look. Please leave a comment to let me know if you try them out and are happy with the result. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and see you in my next one. Bye.